Getting pickier, right? So next product. So Wilson, open. So open.
Mhm.
Is that open box or?
No, U.S. Open's the
Oh, US Open.
it's the
Okay. So US Open.
read ball count though. That's a fork. Oh,
4 can pack. Yeah, this one is
it's
a
a 24 pack.
3 pack.
Different, yeah.
Yeah, this one is a 3 piece, I think. Right?
Mhm.
So 3 ball pack. This one is a 4 can pack. So four balls. What?
That's
Makes no
confusing.
sense.
I know.
3 balls in there.
That's what
Oh my gosh.
one, two, three. Looks like there's three. Go to the next one. Does it show the other one or no?
Well, there's 3 balls in here, right? But this one is saying
Yeah,
4 can.
four. Four can, but 12 total. So yeah, but
Uh,
then they're giving you that's a 24 pack.
yeah, this one's confusing, but so 24 divided by 4, right?
Yes.
So 6. Yeah, this one is an advanced example, so if you don't get it, it's okay. So it's a 4 can pack. So you would divide this, right?
Mhm.
By, wait a minute, 24 divided by 4, 6. So you would divide this by 4, right?
Yes.
Wait a minute, I'm getting confused too. So 4. Yeah, so you divide this number by 6. Okay, so 1
Mhm.
divided by 6. So 1 pack would be 20 bucks. Yeah,
Mhm.
20 bucks. If you guys don't get it, it's okay. Just skip it.
I'd skip. It's a little bit too. It's too. I'd
Yeah,
skip
but
it.
yeah, but basically this one unit is about 20 bucks, right? So if you plug in the numbers, 20 is the cost, and your Amazon price is about 40 bucks. Let's see, 39.70. Yeah, 39.70, all the way to like 50 bucks. So it's about 154 sales a month. 25% ROI. But here's the problem though, Amazon's on the listing, right?
No.
So let's see. Marcelo said it's a no. Kevin says a yes.
Not if Amazon's on it.
Yeah. So it's a no just because Amazon is on it. And their last sale was like 20 bucks, right? Which is gonna put you on a negative, right?
Right.
So 20 or 19.99. So that makes it risky, right? Yeah, I mean they're here for a bit, but it's still very risky. You guys agree? You guys agree with that or what? Yeah, so they're here for a little bit and then they're not here, but then they can always come back, right? So to me, this is too risky. There's no need to risk your money like that, in my opinion. Unless you want to gamble. Amazon is listing is on used to sell for 1999. This one has no supplier. Next. Okay. This one is a variation. Hmm. Easton Universal Jaguar. It's baseball. Okay. What color is this? Some white. So white. There's no white here, right? Yeah, there's no white here. So no white. No white color from supplier. You guys agree? This one is a white. And this one has no white from the supplier. But we'll just practice for I'm plugging the numbers for practice. So this one is $19.99. It's on Amazon for about $42. So 985 sales a month, right? Shared with other variations. So this one is white. So I would go to Keepa and then click on variations. And then look for the white color, which is this one. So this variation is at 14%. So I would take 14% of this number, which is 985 times 14, which is 137. So this color is selling at 137 times a month with this much competition, which I think is good, except that there's no white here, right? You guys got it? So I'll just say good to buy, but white collar from supplier is sold out. Agree? All right, next one.
Agree.
Okay, so Van Camp's Beanie Weenie. Beanie Weenie. Wow. So Van Camp Beanie Weenie, 7.75 ounce, 12 pack. Okay. Okay, same. So cost is $12.48. So you plug in the cost here. Sale price is about $31 here. So this one is at 24% ROI.
Oh.
So 42 sales a month with this much competition. Would you guys do it?
Negative.
No, right?
No,
Nope.
Yeah. No, I agree. Marcelo's a no. Cindy is a no. Brandy's a no. I agree. Will's a no. I agree. Elaine's a no. I agree. So I will just tell you guys right now though. As you scale though, it's gonna be hard to be picky because you need a lot of products. Does that make sense?
yes.
I mean, do you agree, Lane? It's getting harder, right?
It is. I'm getting too picky, so now I'm not getting as picky as I was before.
Yeah. Now
So
imagine
I'll take a lower ROI than I was before.
right. So imagine like spending, man, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K a month, right? You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
In the beginning, it's okay to be picky, but as you scale, it's gonna be so much harder. So, I mean, what's the word? You guys are gonna have to settle, I guess, for lower ROI products, or products are gonna sell slower. Does that make sense?
it does.
Yeah. So to me, if I'm really scaling to like a bigger number, I might even consider this one just because I think it's pretty decent.
Do you think because they'll eventually you're going to sell them by the time your product gets there anyway?
Yeah, because if you count this, I mean 38 plus, now I'm going deeper, right? But so 38 plus 7 plus 6 plus 11 plus 9, right? So it's about 71 units shared with all these sellers.
Mhm.
But really, you're only competing with, I want to say this theory, right? Right there. Because these are the ones that are priced fairly and close to the buy box. Does that make sense?
It
And
does.
plus, if
Yeah.
your product takes a month to get to Amazon, like these
Mhm.
top three are gonna be sold out. Right? And I'm only going deeper because as you scale, it's just gonna be hard to be picky. Right?
Right.
Fine, it's okay to be picky, but to a certain extent, right? Because right now I think
Well,
you're spending, huh? Go ahead.
I was listening to you before, so like how what's the lowest ROI that you would go for?
So my repricer is set all the way down to 5%. I'm not saying all of it is gonna be 5%. So for example, this one, right? So this one, for example, I start with 37%, right? If I have a repricer, my repricer would sell this like less and less all the way to 5%. And then I noticed though that at every month it's still gonna be about 20% ROI on average.
Right,
That
because
makes
not
sense?
all products are going to do that, right?
Right. So yeah.
Lewis, can you one more time throw that repressor that you use? Or do you just want to
Huh? Oh yeah,
send
Aura.
it to me privately, or can you put it in our group? Or
Oh no, Aura. Yeah, Aura. So
that's what it is.
AURA is what I use. Another popular one is BQ. So BQOOL. I use Aura so I can only answer Aura questions though.
It's sorry, Aura, spell it again.
AURA. And the other one is BQ.
I gotta go get that. Actually,
Yeah. So I'm just saying. So to me, this is decent. Like I might consider this one just because, I need to buy inventory, right? So I would say decent. Will sell slow.